every time. The way you look to a girl keeps you on her mind. Love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. Love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. You play to survive. Sometimes a person leaves you mesmerized. The girl that makes you laugh, the same girl makes you cry. So what's the use in trying hard to win? Play to survive and never give in. Love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. Oh. Love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. You play to survive. Oh, love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, you play a lot longer. If you don't play to win, you play to survive. You play to survive. With a man like me, it's hard to settle down. So I came up with my own technique to compete, to stay around. Because love ain't easy, and baby I hate to lose. So I'm working out a strategy to use on you, baby. So, how about dinner tonight? Oh, you don't have to tell me now. I can wait. Besides, it'll be better if we take our time. You know, a man like me, with a woman like you. Oh, love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. Oh, I know. Love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. You play to survive. Oh, love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. Oh, with a man like me. Hey, hey. Love is a game. You don't play to win. You play to survive. You play to survive. So happy that you accepted my offer. You look simply delicious this evening. And what's in front of us is a quiet, starlit evening. Alone. So that I may demonstrate with you my survival techniques. Survival technique number 1. Dinner by candlelight to highlight your radiant beauty. Survival technique number 2. A nice ride along the moonlit beach to my place. Survival technique number 3. A chill bottle of cold duck overlooks the sea. And that brings us to the fourth and final technique. My bedroom. Need I say more? So sexy. You can just use your imagination from there.